Y'all, God is just so good just to be able to have a new home, to be able to clean it. Amen, amen, amen. But let me tell you about these goddamn toddlers, okay? Now, this is something that don't come with the manual. I bought them a pack of Play-Doh for $15, and I thought, it'd be a good idea for them to have something to do while I'm trying to cook food or be in the kitchen or whatever I have to do. Y'all, why did I come into the living room and there's literally Play-Doh all over the place? Play-Doh and Cheerios, to be exact. Now, here I am on this lovely morning cleaning up after their asses. And let's just say the Play-Doh didn't make it. No, it didn't make it. It's going in the trash. Y'all remember to be humble and remember God's greatest purpose, okay? Y'all have a lovely day and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Bye, y'all.